of this uniform civil code because Indian constitution itself it ensures the fundamental right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lecture topic is Uniform Civil Code. So, Uniform Civil Code, which literally means same set of laws for every individual of the country. And this Uniform Civil Code is mentioned in the article number 44 of the Indian Constitution under Part 4 of DPSPs. And as we know that DPSPs are not enforceable for any state or government, it is not still introduced in our system, and there has been a demand to introduce this uniform civil code, and Supreme Court has also ordered law ministry to seek into the matter and and introduce this uniform civil code in the system as soon as possible. And it has been also the manifesto of the BJP government in 2019 elections. So let's see what are the pros and cons of this uniform civil code. So first and foremost, we can say advantage of this uniform civil code is every individual of each and every community gets same equal status in terms of every aspect, we can say, be it in marriage, be it in divorce, be it any aspect of the society. So there will be a decrease in the discrimination, and equality will in the society will also increase, and it will ensure unity of the community, unity among the different communities of the society as well. And it will also reduce the gender discrimination, and it will also promote the gender parity between men and women, as we know that in many religions, both the laws, the personal laws for men and women differs a lot, as we follow the patriarchal, as the society follows patriarchal pattern most. So it will also ensure gender parity, and it will also speed up the judicial procedures, as we know that different communities have different personal laws which can create complications in the judicial procedure. For example, Shah Bano case and this triple talaq. So there are many examples of this, and if we introduce this uniform civil code, it will ease out the judicial procedure, and it will make it convenient, and it will also speed up the decision making of the judiciary system as well. So, but there are some challenges in front of this uniform civil code, because Indian constitution itself it ensures the fundamental right of everyone to follow the its own religion, to propagate its own religion. So it can be a controversial topic, and as we know that different communities have different personal laws, and the practical implementation of this uniform civil code will be difficult for the government, as many we can say protest will be done by the different communities in the country. And talking about the minority groups, it will also a minority the encroachment on the subsidies or on the law, or we can say freedom given to the minority groups under the constitution will be also encroached by this uniform civil code. They will not get that we can say compensations which are given by the Indian government. So we should look after all this. And at last, I would like to give an example of this in India. In the Goa state, uniform civil code is applied. So we can take an example of this state, and we can also learn from it. And according to that, uniform civil code will be should be introduced in each state, looking after the complications after the introduction of taking the protective measures for the many for the probability of the problems which will raised up by the different communities as well. So thus we can ensure the equality among the individuals of the country, which will also mark up the unity and unity in diversity as our country suggests. Thank you.